In this module, we're going to break down exactly what PLR or private label rights means and how it can become one of the most powerful shortcuts in your digital product business. You'll learn how PLR works, what it allows you to do, and why it's one of the smartest ways to start selling fast, even if you don't want to create everything from scratch. PLR stands for private label rights. It's one of the most powerful shortcuts in the digital product world, and most people have no idea how to use it properly. With PLR, you're buying a license to use someone else's content, but here's the magic. You're allowed to modify it, rebrand it, and sell it as your own. Think of it as a done-for-you product you can customize, put your name on, and start selling without creating everything from scratch. It's like having a ghostwriter, designer, and marketer all working for you for a fraction of the cost. Now, not all PLR is created equal. Some packages are well written, designed beautifully, and ready to go. Others, not so much. That's why it's so important to know how to choose quality PLR and how to enhance it using simple tools, which we'll cover later. PLR can come in many formats: ebooks, courses, email sequences, Canva templates, printables, planners, workbooks, social media content, entire business-in-a-box packages. And once you understand how to rebrand and sell them, you unlock unlimited profit potential. Because you don't have to keep creating new products from scratch. You can build your entire store or even your entire brand using well-curated, high-quality PLR. This is the same strategy smart entrepreneurs are using right now to create multiple income streams fast. You don't need to be a content creator. You just need to be a smart marketer. And this course is going to show you exactly how to do that. In the next module, we'll break down the different types of digital product licenses so you understand exactly what you can and can't do with each one. Because when you understand your rights, you gain the power to profit with confidence.